everybody? Just checking in real quick with a real quick update. Today I came in the garage and got right to work. I didn't really do too much filming, but I do have results. As you know, I've been working on running the staging brake lines, and this right here is my finished product. I was able to get the lines from the front of the car coming back. They tee in up here to the end to the staging brake, and they run along right here. They go into the staging brake up top, and the other line comes back out. It goes to where I have it labeled as out, and both of those go towards the rear brakes. All right, I don't know if you remember, but I did have two stainless steel lines coming to the back where these hard lines are, and like I said, it wrapped around right here, and I absolutely hated that. The only reason I did it was at the time I was rushing. I've learned don't cut corners, and I won't. I'm not doing that one again. So like I said, I was able to knock that out. I also was able to come through and get my fittings made for my lines to the fuel tank. As you see, I got a little mar on there, totally my fault, but it is what it is. My lines are done. I will get ready to put the fuel tank up the next time I'm out here. However, before I put the tank up, I want to go ahead and actually bleed the lines first while I have the space. I mean, I did do a mock-up, and the fuel tank can go up and I can still get to here, but it's definitely much easier if I can get to the lines while I have all of the space right here. And maybe in the future I even get a maybe a 7-gallon gas tank, or just go all out and go for the 2-gallon right on up here. So like I said, just a real quick update, short to the point. Like I said, didn't do much filming today, but that is my update. Like and subscribe, please. We need the likes. We would definitely appreciate if you left some comments, some constructive criticism, just some appreciation or anything. So like I said, thanks for watching, and catch you later.